Here, consider the following situations. Aribam and Bijo plays a game. One says a number and another replies with its square root. Aribam start, he says 25 and Bijo quickly respond with 5. Bijo says 81, Aribam replies 9. The game goes on still Aribam says 250. Bijo is not able to answer because 250 is not a perfect square. Aribam asked Bijo if he can at least provide a number that is close to square root of 250. For this, Bijo need to estimate the square of 250. We know that 100 is lesser than 250, 250 is lesser than 400. Square root of 100 is equal to 10 and square root of 400 is equal to 20. Thus, 10 lesser than square root of 250 lesser than 20. But we are still not very close to the number whose square is 250. We know that 15 square is equal to 225, 16 square is equal to 256. Therefore, 15 lesser than square root of 250 lesser than 16. Since 256 is much closer to 250 than 225. Square root of 250 is approximately 16. We also know it is less than 16. Here is another problem that requires estimating square roots. Akhil has a square piece of cloth area 125 centimeter square. He wants to know if he can cut out a square handkerchief of size 15 centimeter. If not, he wants to know the maximum size handkerchief that can be cut off from the piece of cloth with the integral side length. 125 is not a perfect square. The nearest perfect square is 11 square is equal to 121. 12 square is equal to 144. So the largest square handkerchief with the integral side length that can be cut out from this piece of cloth has the side length 11 centimeter. Figure it out. Which of the following numbers are not perfect square? Let us find the answer for this. First one is square root of 2032, which is approximately 45.07, which is not a perfect square. Then square root of 2048, which is 45.26, which is not also a perfect square. Square root of 1027, which is 32.04, which is also not a perfect square. Square root of 1089 is equal to 33 square, which is a perfect square. Which one among 64 square, 108 square, 292 square, 36 square has the last digit 4? Look at the unit digits. 64 square is equal to 4096. 108 square is equal to 11,664, which is unit digit is 4. 292 is equal to 85,264. Unit is equal to 4. 36 square is equal to 1,296. Here the unit 4 are this 2. Given 125 square is equal to 15,625. What is the value of 126 square? Here there are three options here. Difference between n square and n plus 1 square is n plus 1 square minus n square equal to 2n plus 1. Here 126 square is equal to 125 square plus 2 into 125 plus 1, which is 15,625 plus 25. This is the answer, which is fourth option is the answer for the third question. Find the length of the side of the square whose area is 441 meter square. Area is equal to side square, which is 441. Side square is equal to area. Square root of 441 is equal to 21 meter. Next, find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the following number 4, 6, and 10. Find the LCM of 4, 9, and 10, which is 4 is equal to 2 square, 9 is equal to 3 square, 10 is equal to 2 into 5. LCM is equal to 2 square, 3 square, 5 is equal to 180. 180 is not a perfect square. To make it square, we need an extra 5 to make it 5 square. Simply multiply by 5 180 into 5, which is equal to 900. Find the smallest number by which 9408 must be multiplied for those so that the product is a perfect square. Find the square root of the product. Prime factorization of 9408. That is 2 power 6 into 3 into 7 power 2. Here 2 need a pair. Multiple by 3. The new number is 908 into 3 is equal to 28,224. Now 28,224, which is equal to 2 power 3 into 7 into square root of 3 whole square, which is equal to square root of 28,224 is equal to 168. The answer is 168. Now, how many numbers lies between the square of the following numbers? 16 and 17. 16 square is equal to 256 and 17 square is equal to 289. Subtracting 288 minus 257 plus 1, which is equal to 32, and 99 square is equal to 9,801. 100 square is equal to 10,000. Subtracting the 10,000 minus 9,802, which is equal to 198. The answer is 198. Eighth question. In the following pattern, fill in the missing numbers. Let us fill that. Here, the missing number is in the third and fourth row. The pattern is found that n square plus n plus 1 square plus n into n plus 1 whole square is equal to perfect square. Finding the missing number. Here, first one, n is equal to 1. 1 square plus 1 plus 1 whole square plus 1 into 1 plus 1 whole square, which is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square plus 9 is equal to 3 square. Here we have to find for n is equal to 4. 4 square plus 4 plus 1 whole square plus 4 into 4 plus 1 whole square, which is equal to 4 square plus 5 square plus 20 square, which is equal to 441, which is equal to 21 square. The answer is here is 21 square. Next, 9 n is equal to 9. 9 square plus 9 plus 1 whole square plus 9 into 9 plus 1 whole square is equal to, which is 9 square plus 10 square plus 90 square, which is 8,281, which is 91 square. The answer will be here 90. Then the answer will be 91 square. 91 square. Here, next question. How many tiny squares are there in the following picture? Write the prime factorization of the number of tiny squares. Okay, let us calculate that one. Here we have to add that 1, 2, 3 like that. We have to add. There are 41 large squares. Each large square contains 25 tiny squares. That means we are adding this one. Total tiny square is equal to 41 into 25, which is equal to 1025. Prime factorization of 1025 is 25 and 41, which can be written as 5 square. 5 square means 5 into 5, 25 and 41. This is the answer for this question. Next topic is cubic numbers. You know that the word cube from geometry. A cube is a solid figure, all of whose all sides meet at right angles and are equal. This is known as cube. How many cubes of side 1 centimeter make the cube of side 2 centimeter? How many cubes of side 1 centimeter will make a cube of side 3 centimeter? Let us know that. Continuing with the question, how many cubes of the side 1 makes the cube of side 2 centimeter? Let us calculate that one. Here, volume of big cube 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8 centimeter cube. Volume of a small cube is equal to 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1 centimeter cube. Number of small cubes is equal to volume of big cubes divided by volume of small cube, which is equal to 8 divided by 1 is 8. The answer is 8. Next, 8 cubes. Here, 8 cubes is the answer. Next, How many cubes of the side will make a cube of side 3 centimeter? Volume of big cube is equal to 3 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 27 centimeter cube. Next, volume of small cube 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1 centimeter cube. Number of small cubes is equal to volume of big cube divided by volume of small cube, which is equal to 27 divided by 1, which is 27 cubes. The answer is 27 cubes. Next, consider the number in 1, 8, 27. These numbers are perfect cubes. Can you see why they are named so? Each of them is obtained by multiplying the number of itself 3 times. We know that 1 is equal to 1 into 1 into 1, and 8 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, and 27 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3. If 9 is a cube, we see that 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8, 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 27. This shows that 9 is not a perfect cube, nor is any number from 10 to 27. Can you estimate the number of unit cubes in a cube with an edge length of 4 units? It has 64 unit cubes. If you note carefully, each layer of this cube has 4 is to 4 unit cubes. Each square layers have 16 cube units, 4 is to 4. And there are 4 such layers, so that the total number of unit cubes is 4 is to 4 is to 4 is equal to 64. Since 5 cube is equal to 5 into 5 into 5, which is 125, is a cube. In general, for any number, we write the cube is equal to n into n as n power 3, which is n cube. Complete the table below. Now, 1 cube is equal to 1, and 2 cube is equal to 8, and 3 cube is equal to 27, and 4 cube is equal to 64, and 5 cube is equal to 125. Then 6 cube is equal to 216, and 7 cube is equal to 343, 8 cube is equal to 512, 9 cube is equal to 729, 10 cube is equal to 1000, 11 cube is equal to 1331, and 12 cube is equal to 1728, 13 cube is equal to 2197, 14 cube is equal to 2744, and 15 cube is equal to 3375. 16 cube is equal to 4096. 17 cube is equal to 4913. 18 cube is equal to 5832. 19 cube is equal to 6859. 20 cube is equal to 8000. What pattern do you notice in the above? Cubes grow faster, follow the parity of base number, and their last number repeat in the pattern. We know that 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 are the only last digit possible for squares. What are the possible last digits of cubes? Let us calculate. 0 cube is equal to 0, 1 cube is equal to 1, 2 cube is equal to 8, 3 cube is equal to 27, which ends in 7, and 4 cube is equal to 64, which ends in 4, and 5 cube is equal to 125, which ends in 5, and 6 cube is equal to 216, which ends in 6, and 7 cube is equal to 343, which ends in 3. 8 cube is equal to 512, ends in 2, and 9 cube is equal to 729, ends in 9. Possible last digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. These are the possible last digits. Similar to squares, can you find the number of cubes with 1 digit, 2 digits, and 3 digit? What do you observe? Let us. Here, 2 cubes with 1 digit, and 2 cubes with 2 digit, and 5 cubes with 3 digit. Cubes increase rapidly number of times of digits. Next, can cube end with exactly 2 zeros? Explain. Here, a cube ending with 2 zero must be divisible by 1000. So, it will have at least 3 zeros, not 2 zeros. Next, just we can take square of the fractions or decimals. 4 by 6 whole square and 13.08 square and minus 6 square. We can also complete cubes such as 4 by 6 cube and 13.08 cube and minus 6 cube, where 4 by 6 square, which is equal to, we have to split it 3 times. 4 into 4 into 4, which is 64, and 6 into 6 into 6, which is 216. Next, 13.08 cube, we have to separately write and multiplying, which we got 2237.8810112. Minus 6 cube, which is equal to minus 6 into minus 6 into minus 6, where we have one minus left, which is minus 216. Taxi numbers. Once when Srinivasa Ramanujam was working with G.H. Hardy at the University of Cambridge, Hardy had come to visit Ramanujam at hospital when he was ill. Hardy has written in a taxi cab numbered 1729, and he remarked that 729 was a rather dull number, adding that he hoped that this was not a bad idea. Ramanujam immediately replied, "No, hardly. It is a very interesting number. It is the smallest number that can be expressed as the sum of two cubes in two different ways. 1729 is equal to 1 cube plus 12 cube, or 9 cube plus 10 cube." Because of this story, 1729 has since been known as a Hartley Ramanujam's number. Number that can be expressed as the sum of two cubes in two different ways is called taxi cab numbers. The next two taxi cab numbers after 1290, 1729 are 4104 and 13832. Find the two ways in which of these can be expressed as a sum of two positive cubes. Here 2 cube plus 16 cube, which is equal to 9, which other way 9 cube plus 15 cube, and 13,832, which is equal to 2 cube plus 24 cube, or 18 cube plus 20 cube. How did Ramanujam know this? Well, he loved numbers. All through his life, he tinkled with numbers. During Ramanujam's time in Cambridge, his colleagues often marveled at his ability to see deep pattern in the numbers that seemed arbitrary to others. His colleague John Littlewood once said every positive integer was one of his Ramanujam's personal friends. Perfect cubes and consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive odd numbers has a role to play with cubes too. Look at the following pattern. 1 is equal to 1 is equal to 1 cube. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8, which is 2 cube. 7 plus 9 plus 11, which is equal to 27, which is 3 cube. 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 is equal to 64, which is 4 cube. 21 plus 23 plus 25 plus 27 plus 29, which is 125, which is 5 cube. 31 plus 33 plus 35 plus 37 plus 39 plus 41, which is equal to 216, which is 3 cube. And later in this series, we can following set of consecutive numbers. You have to find that. Can you tell what this sum is without doing the calculation? Yes. Here the odd number series 91 plus 93 plus 93, 95, 97 until 109. Pair the numbers from start and end. 91 plus 109 and 93 plus, which is equal to 200. 200 into 5, which is equal to 1000. The answer will be 1000. Next, cube roots. We know that 8 is equal to 3 cube. We call 2 the cube of 8 and denote this by 2 is equal to square root of 8. More generally, if y is equal to x power 3, then x is the cube root of y. This is denoted by x the cube root of y. So, cube root of 8 is equal to cube root of 2 power 3, which is equal to 2. Similarly, cube root of 27 is equal to cube root is equal to 3. The same pattern for 10. In general, cube root of n power 3 is equal to n. This is a general form. How do we find out if the number is cube? Taking inspiration from the cases of cube, let us see if we can use prime factorization. Let us check if 3375 is a perfect cube. Now, taking the multiples 3 into 3 into 3 and 5 into 5 into 3. Can the factors can be split into 3 individual identical groups? For 3375, we can form the 3 groups of 3 into 5 is equal to 3 into 5, 3 into 5, 3 into 5, which is 3 into 5 cube is equal to 15 cube. Another way is to check if the factor can group into triplet. 3 into 3 into 3 and 5 into 5 into 5, which is 3 power of 3 into 5 power 3. The cube root of 3,375, which is equal to 15. Is 500 is a perfect cube. 500 is equal to 2 into 2 and 5 into 5 into 5. We see that the factor cannot be split into three identical groups, which is therefore 500 is not a perfect cube. It is not a perfect cube. Prime factorization of number 4 is equal to 2 into 2, where prime factorization of its cube. 4 cube is equal to 64, which is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, which is 2 power 3 and into 2 power 3. So we are taking 2 into 2 factorization. Next is 6. 6 cube is equal to 216, which is equal to 3 2, which is 2 cube, and 3 cube, which is equal to 3 cube. Next 15 cube is equal to 3,375, which is 3 cube and 5 cube. Next 12 cube is equal to 1,728, which is equal to 2 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube. Observe that each prime factor of the numbers appears 3 times in the prime factorization of its cube. Find the cube roots of these numbers. Now, cube root of 64. Let us calculate that, which is 4. 4 into 4 into 4, which is equal to 64. 18. Now, cube root of 512, which is equal to 8 into 8 into 8 is equal to 512. Next, square root of 729, which is equal to 9 into 9 into 9, which is equal to 729. The answer is 9. Next, successive difference. We know that the difference between the consecutive perfect squares give the sequence of old numbers. Observe the figure below where the difference is computed successfully for perfect squares. After two levels, all the differences are same. First one, perfect square 1 4 9 6 25 36. The difference between 4 minus 1 is 3. The difference between 5 7 9 11. Then the difference between 5 minus 3 is 2. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. Now compute successive difference over levels for perfect cube until all the difference at a level are same. What do you notice? Now the perfect cube is 1 8 27 64 125, and now the difference is 8 minus 1 is 7, 2 minus 8 is equal to 19, 64 minus 27 is equal to 30, 7, and 125 minus 64 is equal to 61. 216 minus 125 is equal to 91. The difference between second difference, 19 minus 7 is equal to 12. 37 minus 19 is equal to 18. 61 minus 37 is equal to 24. And 91 minus 61 is equal to 13. Now the third difference is 18 minus 12 is equal to 6. 27 minus 24 minus 18 is equal to 6. And 30 minus 24 is equal to 6. Third difference are equal. This confirm the pattern is cubic sequence. This is the answer. A pinch of history. The first known list of perfect square and cubes are compiled by Babylonians as far back as 1700 BCE. These lists found on the clay tablets were used to quickly find the square roots and cube roots in the problem involving land measurements, architectural design, and other areas where geometry calculations are necessary. In ancient Sanskrit works, the term varga was used both for square figures or its area as well as square power. And the term Ghana was used both for the solid cube as well as the product of number with itself 3 times. The fourth power was called Varga. These terms were used in the Indian at least from the 3rd century BCE. Aryabhatta, 499 CE states, a square figure of 4 equal sides and the number representing its area is called Varga. The product of two equal quantities is also called as Varga. Thus, the term Varga for the square power has its original in the graphical representation of square figure. Why is the word root? The root of plant is used for mathematical operations. Square root cube root, etc. It is because in the ancient India, the Sanskrit word mula, meaning the root of plant, basis, causes, and origin, etc., was used for mathematical operations of taking roots. In Sanskrit, Varga mula, the basis, cause, origin of square was used for square roots, and Gana mula was used for cube root. This is the use of mula for mathematical concept of roots were subsequently emulated in Arabic, Latin through their corresponding words for the root of plant, zidar and ratis respectively. The term mula for the root has been used in India at least from 1st century BCE. Another term used were pada, food basis, cause, origin. Burma Gupta 628 CE explains the Bada root of Kriti square is that which is it is square. Now figure it out. Find the cube root of 27,000 and 10,648. Now taking a 30 power cube, square root of 30 power cube is equal to answer is 30, and 22 cube cube root of the 22 cube is equal to 22. Answer is 30 and 22. What number will you multiply by 1323 to make its cube number? Now, prime factorization of 1323 is equal to 3 cube and 7 square. To make it cube, 1 more 7 is multiplied. We have to add, that means multiply 1 more 7. Now, state the true or false. Explain your reasoning. Now, first one, the cube of any odd number is even. Now, the first question. No, perfect cubes end with 8. Answer for that first question is the cube of any odd number is even. False, because odd cube is equal to odd. Next, for second question, there is no perfect cube that ends with 8. No, perfect cubes end with 8. False. 8 cube is equal to 8. 2 cube is equal to 8. Next, cube of 2 roots, 2-digit number may be 3-digit number. Cube of 2-digit number may be 3-digit number, which is false. Small 2-digit number is 10, which is 10 cube is equal to 1000, which is 4-digit. Cube of 2-digit number may have 7 plus digit. False. Largest 2-digit number is 99. 99 cube, which is equal to 9,70,299, which is 6-digit only. So it is false. Cube number has odd number of factors. False, because only perfect cubes has the odd number of factors. Now the fourth question. You are told that 1331 is a perfect cube. Can you guess without factorization what its cube root is? Similarly, guess the cube root of 4,913 and 12,167 and 32,768. Now, cube root of 1,331 is equal to 11. Next, 4,913 cube root is 17. Cube root of 12,167 is equal to 33. And 32,768 cube root is 32. Fifth question, which of the following is greatest? Explain your reasoning. Now, first one, 67 cube minus 66 cube is equal to 3,763 and 2,87,496, which is, while we are minusing this, we obtain 13,267. 43 cube minus 42 cube is equal to 79,507 minus 74,088 is equal to 5,419. This is the difference. Next, 67 square minus 66 square is equal to 4,489 minus 4,356, which is the answer is difference is 133. 43 square minus 42 square is equal to 1,849 minus 1,069 764. The difference is 85. Here, which one is greater than one? The first one is greatest. This is the answer. Next summary, the number obtained by multiplying the number by itself is called square number. The square of natural number is called as perfect squares. All perfect squares ends with 0, 1, 4, 5 or 9. Squares can only have an even number of zeros at end. Square root is an inverse operation of square. Every perfect square has two integral square roots. The positive square roots of number is denoted by the symbol of square root. For example, square root of 9 is equal to 3. The number obtained by multiplying a number by itself 3 times is called cube. For example, 1, 8, 27, etc. are cubes. The number is a perfect square if its prime factor can be split into two individual groups. The number is a perfect cube if the prime factor can be split into three identical groups. The symbol square root denotes cube root. The symbol which is square root and 3 if we have they denote cube root. For example, cube root of 27 is equal to 3. Puzzle time, square pairs. Looking at the following number 3, 6, 10, 15. They are arranged such that each pair of adjacent numbers added up squares. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, 6 plus 10 is equal to 16, 10 plus 15 is equal to 25, 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. Try arranging the number 1 to 17 without repetition in a row in a previous similar way. The sum of every adjacent pair of numbers should be square. Can you arrange them in more than one way? If not, can you explain why? Now, for first one, arranging the numbers from 1 to 17 without repetition where the sum of adjacent pair is perfect square. The largest possible sum is equal to 17 plus 16 is equal to 33. Consider the perfect squares less than 34, which is 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. Possible pairs. 4 is equal to 1 is to 3, 1, 3, 9, 1, 8, 2, 2, 7, 3, 6 and 4, 5. 16, which is 1, 5, 2, 14, 3, 13, 4, 12, 5, 11, 6, 10, 7, 9, 25, 8, 17, 9, 16 and 10, 15 and 11, 14, 12, 13. Each pair is chosen because their sums equals a perfect square. Now starting with the largest number helps avoid early repetition and give more linking option. 16 plus 25. Linking must satisfy the following condition. The previous number plus next number is equal to perfect square. No repetition. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. 16 which is 4 into 4 add 7. 7 plus 2 which is 9. 9 which is 3 into 3 add 2. 2 plus 14 is equal to 16, add 14. 14 plus 11 is equal to 25, add 11. Add 11 plus 5 is equal to 16, add 5. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, add 4. 4 plus 12 is equal to 16, add 12. 12 plus 13 is equal to 25, add 13. 13 plus 3 is equal to 16, add 3. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, add 6. 6 plus 10 is equal to 16, add 10. 10 plus 15 is equal to 25, add 15. 15 plus 1 is equal to 16, add 1. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9, add 8. 8 plus 17 is equal to 25, add 17. The final chain is 16, 9, 7, 2, 14, 11, 5, 4, 12, 13, 6, 13, 3, 6, 10, 15, 1, 8, 17. Next, can you do the same with numbers from 1 to 32 again without repetition, but this time arranging all the numbers in a circle? Now, let us calculate that. The largest sum possible is 31 plus 32 is equal to 63. So, consider the perfect square less than 64 is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 and 49. Possible pair 4, 1, 3, 9, 1, 8, 2, 7, 3, 6 and 4, 5. 16 is equal to 1, 15, 2, 14, 3, 13, 4, 12, 5, 11 and 6, 10, 7, 9, 25, 8, 17, 7, 18, 9, 16, 10, 15, 11, 14 and 12, 13, 36, 4, 32, 5, 31, 6, 30, 7, 29, 8, 28, 9, 27, 10, 26, 11, 25, 12, 24, 13, 23, 14, 22, 15, 21, 16, 20, 17, 19, 49, 17, 32, 18, 31, 19, 30, 20, 29, 21, 28, 22, 27, 23, 26, 24, 25. Each pair is chosen because their sums equal a perfect square. Starting with the larger number helps avoid the earlier repetition and gives more linking options. Linking must satisfy the following condition: the previous number plus next number a perfect square. No repetition. 4 plus 32 is equal to 36, which is 6 into 6. 32 plus 17 is equal to 49, 7 is to 7. 17 plus 19 is equal to 36, 6 into 6. 19 plus 30 is equal to 49, which is 7 is to 7. 30 plus 6 is equal to 36, which is 6 is to 6. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9, 3 is to 3. 3 plus 13 is equal to 16, which is 4 is to 4. And 3 plus 13 plus 12 is equal to 25, which is 5 is to 5. 12 plus 24 is equal to 36, which is 6 is to 6. 24 plus 25 is equal to 49, 7 is to 7. And 25 plus 11 is equal to 36, which is 6 is to 6. 11 plus 5 is equal to 16. 4 is to 4, and 5 plus 31 is equal to 36, 6 is to 6, 31 plus 18 is equal to 49, which is 7 is to 7, 18 plus 7 is equal to 25, which is 5 is to 5, 7 plus 29 is equal to 36, which is 6 is to 6, 29 plus 20 is equal to 49, 7 is to 7, 20 plus 16 is equal to 36, which is 6 is to 6. 16 plus 9 is equal to 25, which is 5 is to 5. 9 plus 27 is equal to 36, which is 6 is to 6. 27 plus 22 is equal to 49, 7 is to 7. 22 plus 14 is equal to 36, is equal to 6 is to 6. 14 plus 12, 2 is equal to 16, which is 4 is to 4. 2 plus 23 is equal to 25, 5 is to 5. 23 plus 26 is equal to 49, which is 7 is to 7. 26 plus 10 is equal to 36, which is 6 is to 6. 10 plus 15 is equal to 25, which is 5 is to 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 16, which is 4 is to 4. And 1 plus 8 is equal to 9, 3 is to 3. 8 plus 28 is equal to 36, 6 is to 6. 28 plus 21 is equal to 49, 7 is to 7. 21 plus 4 is equal to 25, which is 5 is to 5. The circle completes. The final chain is 4, 32, 17, 20, 19, 30, 6, 3, 13, 12, 24, 25, 11, 5, 31, 18, 7, 29, 20, 16, 9, 27, 22, 14, 2, 23, 26, 10, 15, 1, 8, 28, 21. These values will be coming into the circle. This is the answer. Thank you. Thanks for learning.